What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a brief video on Amazon slash Kindle self-publishing. Honestly, tonight I was going to do a video on keywords and keyword research, but checking Google Trends tonight, I'm not really coming up with any great ideas for keywords on Google Trends, so it doesn't seem to be happening tonight with what I can find so far. 'Tis life. So I'm going to throw it back to you guys. Yes, you. What do you want to see analyzed? Is there a keyword or topic you want to see taken a look at on Amazon? Why a keyword might be profitable, why a certain keyword isn't. Maybe you want to know why a certain book sells, why a certain book doesn't sell, maybe why your book doesn't sell. Hit me up, guys. Let's interact with each other. Let's work together on something. Comment, let me know what you want to see next for analyzing, and we'll figure out if a book is profitable or not, or if a keyword that you're perhaps curious about is worth your time. So hit me up and we will work together. That is it for now. I've got some more developments coming up soon, and you'll just have to stay tuned. So hasta la vista, baby.